Now remember we had the dashboard showing why we need to change oil. Now we have to reset that. We have to reset that sign of a wrench there and reset the engine oil from 15% to 100% oil life. Now how do you do this? You need to turn off the vehicle, put the ignition key to on position like that. Now using this odometer speed dial right here, you press and hold until it starts blinking. When it starts blinking, you rotate the knob until it's the oil life is blinking. Now press and hold, and you hold until you see the oil life change to 100%. And there we go. The oil life on this Honda CRV has been reset to 100%. I'm gonna turn on off the vehicle and start the engine to show you that now the wrench sign right there is gone and the oil have been reset to 100% oil life. And that's how you do it, guys. All clear.